I'm going to give you a little tutorial on Symphony Learning. So you're going to go to symphonylearning.com. You're going to come up to the corner and click Sign In. It'll take you to the screen. Our account number for Pershing is 3625. You just have to write that down and remember it. Your username looks just like your email, so I'm going to go in under Mike so you can see what yours will actually look like. And everyone's password is MathD100. So it's MathD100. You click Login, and this is what you will see. You have your dashboard, which will show you like the use, progress, help, reading. It'll show you stuff as your kids go on more often. You will click over to Students, and this is where it'll show you every kid in the building unless you want to go and you have a class. So to create a class, you're going to go to Classes. Click on Classes. I should have taken you there first. You're going to add a class. Call it what you want. I'll make a new one, 5SL test group. And then I come and I add the staff member. So since I'm Mike today, I'm just going to add Mike. If I wanted to add Lukasiewicz, I would come down here, find me, and just click Add. So now we'll both see this group. And then when I come down to grades, I want every kid that's in 5th grade. So here I have Samantha Barrera. She's in our class. I want to add her. These are kids from last year. So I want to go and I actually want to check 4th grade until that problem gets fixed. Now I can pick the students from my class. So I see that Breeza is in my class. So I'd click Breeza's name and I would click Add. And you'll see they move over to the class roster right now. So I would go through and I would choose all the students that are in our class. And then once I'm done, I just come up here and click Save Changes. If there is a student who is not in your on the database, you can come up to Students and you can add a student. When you add a student, you just want to make sure you're following the same protocol that all the other kids have. And that is the username is their S number and their password is their S number. Simple as that. Okay? Hopefully that helped as far as making classes and adding students. Once your students are on, something that's really useful is the use of the Reports button. So you can come and click on Reports. And because I tried having my students go on, I want to see what their screener looked like. So I click Screener, I want to compare the students, my screener status, and then I don't want out the whole grade level, I just want kids that are in my 5SL 13-14 class. And then I click OK and I click Create Reports. And it goes through and it shows me how many are not at risk, how many are borderline, how many are at risk, and how many need screening still. And then you can come down and you can look at them precisely. You can see what the date they were on. And you can see that we haven't taken our winter benchmark yet. We only took the fall one. So there's a little bit of information there. Hope that helped. And you can print out your reports if you want to use them for IEP meetings or RTI meetings. And hopefully it'll give you more data than what you're seeing we have in ours so far.